I do quite a lot of work for View 360 based in Bristol, and View 360 create virtual 360 tours. I use Blender to create 360 3D panos, and it took me quite a long time to work out how to render these out as 3D 360 panos. So this little video is a very quick tutorial to show you what the settings need to be to successfully render these out. So click on your camera and then go to your camera settings, and in type change that to panoramic, and then panorama type choose equirectangle. That's basically it. And then go to your settings. My resolution is not that high for this one, but this is the settings for that. And then once you've got your settings, you can make them bigger if you want to. Click on render, render image, and let it render out. It's simple as that.